moving on to the questions involving all the concepts that we have learnt. Let us start. The first question is, if mass of earth is this much and mass of moon is this much, what is the mass of both together? So we have to add them up, right? Before adding them up, I will be writing them separately. There is a reason behind that, you will get to know. So the first question is saying that mass of earth given to us is 5.97 into 10 raised to power 24 kgs. And mass of moon given to us is how much? 7.35 into 10 raised to power 22 kgs. Now, before adding the two quantities, you have to make sure that they are getting the same exponents or not. Otherwise, you will not be able to add them up. Okay, we have to convert them into the same exponent form. So, we can see that this is having the exponent 10 raised to power 24 and that has 10 raised to power 22. So, what we can do over here is we can convert this. How come? 5.97 into, we can separate 2 and so here we will remain with 10 raised to power 2 only. Got it? Now, if you multiply this with this, what do you mean by 10 raised to power 2? It is 100. If you multiply this with 100, 597, 2 zeros and how many decimal places? 2. So, you get 597 raised to power 22 kgs. Now, this is also having the 10 raised to power 22 component and that also has the 10 raised to power 22 component. Now, these both can be added. So, you can write total mass equal to 597 into 10 raised to power 22 plus 7.35 into 10 raised to power 22. Now, how do you add them up? 597 plus 7.35, because 10 raised to power 22 is common in both. So, we will take it out. Common, what are we left with? 597 plus 7.35. So, this will be equal to what? 597.00, 7.35 adds up to 5, 3, 14, 1, 10, 1, 6. That means your answer comes out to be 604.35 into 10 raised to power 22 kgs. That means the total mass of earth and moon together will be 604.35 into 10 raised to power 22 kgs. Similarly, let us do the next question. It says if mass of 3 boulders is this much and this much, we have to find the 3 boulders total mass. So, I will write the masses separately. Mass 1, I will make it mass 1, mass 2 and mass 3. Mass 1 is equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to power 3 kgs. Mass 2 is equal to 2.5 into 10 raised to power 2 kgs and mass 3 is equal to 3.2 into 10 raised to power 3 kgs. Now, for the conversion part, we have to convert them into the same exponent form. Now, we can convert the 10 raised to power 3 into 10 raised to power 2. How come? 1.6 into 10 is 1 power is separated. How many powers are we left with? 2. So, what do we get? 1.6 into 10 is 160 and you put the decimal point. That is 16 into 10 raised to power 2. Here we get the same one because we don't have to convert its powers, and here also we will be converting it the same way. That is 3.2 into 10 into 10 raised to power 2. What do we get? 320 with 1 decimal point. So, we get 32 into 10 raised to power 2. Here we have 16 into 10 raised to power 2 and the middle one has 2.5 into 10 raised to power 2. So, now we will have the total mass equal to 16 into 10 raised to power 2 plus 2.5 into 10 raised to power 2 plus 32 into 10 raised to power 2. Now, in all the three, we have 10 raised to power 2 common. So, what are we left with? 16 plus 2.5 plus 32 into 10 raised to power 2. What do we get when we add them up? 16.0 2.5 and 32. Let us add them. We get 5, 6 plus 4, 10, 3, 4 and 5. So the answer is 50.5 into 10 raised to power 2 kgs together. This is how we add the questions.